Hi guys, welcome back to Cardz TV. This is Mary, and today we're going to do card number 8 in the 12 Days of Christmas card series for 2019. We're going to be using Cardz TV Kitten Kaboodle sketch number 2. I've got all the measurements on here for you, so that makes it real easy to put a card together. And what's nice about this sketch is if you've got little scraps of different paper packs, you can make a quick card really easy. Just go ahead and get everything cut out by the measurements. Tuck this inside of a card base, stick it in an envelope, and when you're needing a card, just pull that out and put it together. Super simple. Now, I showed you in the last video and in my last haul video these Miss Kate Cuttables Color Me Cuts. These are so cute, and these are also perfect for making a quick card. And you can color these with alcohol markers, colored pencils, big markers if you have those, Sharpies. You don't have to do anything fancy. They're kind of small, so any coloring you do looks great. So we're going to be using that for card number 8. Okay guys, let's get started. Looking at sketch number 2, I see that we have a white card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. Then I have this dark red mat, which is going on next, and it is 4 by 5 1/4. Then over here you can see I've already got my pieces cut out according to the measurements. We have a piece that's 1 1/2 by 1 3/4, a piece that's 2 1/4 by 1 3/4, 1 1/2 by 3 1/4, and 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. I'm going to grab my art glitter glue and get all these attached to that dark red mat. I've got my card base all ready, and I think that is so cute and colorful, and I love that it's all red and white with just a little bit of green. Now if we look over here at the sketch, we see we've got a red square that's 2 1/2 inches and a white square that's 2 1/4 inches. So I've gone ahead and cut those out. I'm going to get those adhered together, and that's going to go right there on the front. And don't worry if you don't have the exact amount of red showing in between these, because this will cover this up where they all come together and it'll look perfect. That's looking really cute. Next, from the Miss Kate Cuttables Color Me Cuts called Santa Claus, I found this adorable little Santa. He's holding a sign that says Merry Christmas. Now, I colored him with my Arteza EverBlend alcohol markers. I used peach and light peach for the skin tones to go around the fur on his jacket and hat. I used Arctic blue. For his hat, I used rose red and wine red. And for the green, let's see if I can remember that. That was olive green, and I can't read that one. It's so tiny. Lime green. But I've got him on some foam tape, and I'm going to put him right down here. Now I wanted to add just a touch more green, so I looked in the package and found some little holly and berries. And here this is right here. This was also colored with that rose red, wine red, and lime green and olive green. I've got this on some foam tape, and I'm going to put this up in the corner, and that's going to finish this cute little Santa card. Perfect. I think this little card turned out so cute. It was so quick and easy. It's a great way to use up some of those scraps that you may have already started accumulating from making your other Christmas cards. And if you like using card sketches, this is a fun one. Now you can find all 31 sketches over at my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com, and they're all free to download. Thank you so very much for coming by today, guys. I hope you're enjoying this series. We've only got 4 cards to go, and we'll have all 12. So Take care, everyone, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.